Now, in this video, I'm gonna show you if we can't find a greatest common factor in a binomial, then what are we gonna do? So here we have a binomial x squared minus 16, and as you can see, there is no greatest common factor between x squared and 16, right? Now let's recall in the previous section when we studied polynomials, we said there is a special product of binomials, and the pattern is like this. So we have one binomial a plus b and multiplied by another binomial a minus b. So each binomial, they have the same terms a and b, but the difference is in one binomial is a plus b, and in another binomial is a minus b. And we said the product of these two binomials is a squared minus b squared. Right? Okay. If we go back to look at this binomial, you will see the first term is x squared, and the sixth term is integer 16, which is a perfect square number. So we can write it as 4 squared. So now to factor this binomial, we're gonna use this formula in a reverse way. So the x is like the a, because it's a squared, and 4 is like the b. So according to this result, we can factor this into x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 4. So this technique is called a difference of two squares. So if we have a difference of two square terms, then we can use this formula to factor this binomial. Okay. Now let me do another example. We have a 25x squared minus 4. When you use this formula, the most difficult part is to identify what is A and what is B. So to do this, first you have to write each term into a square of something. Okay, so 25. How can I write this into a square of something? Because 25 is a perfect square number. 25 is 5 squared. So therefore, 25x squared will be 5 squared times x squared, right? Which is a 5x squared. So this is a 5x. And 4 is a 2 squared, so that's 2. Okay, so once we completed this step, we can see, okay, the A is 5x and B is 2. So therefore, the result is 5x plus 2 times 5x minus 2. For a few students, the common mistakes they made on this problem is they got 25x plus 2 times 25x minus 2. So the reason they made this mistake is because they forgot to write 25 into a square. So this is wrong. Okay. Now let me do another example. Now we have 36x squared minus 1. So 36x squared. 36 is a perfect square. It's 6 squared. So 36x squared we can write as a 6 squared times x squared, which is a 6x squared. So the first term is 6x squared. Now, remember, 1 is a special number because 1 squared is 1. 1 to the third is 1, right? So 1, we can write it as a 1 squared. So that means A is 6x and B is 1. Therefore, the answer is 6x plus 1 times 6x minus 1. Okay?